years until that happens. Okay? I'm gonna try to make the longest video I ever done, and the next one we do will be live. It's a live video. We're gonna do something live, okay?
What are we gonna do?
A video that never stops, okay? Try this. Look at this.
Where are we gonna sleep? How are we gonna sleep and eat if it never stops?
You might never make a live video. Okay, just for that. We're just starting our new YouTube channel. We might not know how to do YouTube yet. So just as you know, we're in LA County.
No, we're not.
No, I mean West Chicago.
We're in DuPage County.
And is any YouTubers gonna know that we're on YouTube now? I will tell my friends that I'm a YouTuber now. I used to not be on YouTube earlier today. Now I'm on YouTube. I just started. Yeah. Remember, I had a good time. I can't wait to get some diamond play buds. Bye.